My name is Sarah Charles, and this is my reflection of Team Yellow's case analysis. Team Yellow chose Citigroup as the company to follow and report on. With each assignment, we had to collaborate, make decisions, and occasionally delegate tasks. My team consisted of 6 members. Since we maintained the same group members throughout the semester, we got to know each other's strengths and weaknesses. This allowed us to work more efficiently and effectively to the benefit of the group. There were a few of us that took leadership roles, and we rotated with each assignment. Overall, we worked well together, with little conflict. All decisions were made after receiving input from each group member and made by a majority opinion. We have a few different personality types on Team Yellow, so I got to practice style flexing skills I learned in the BTAS program. I like the saying, life happens. There was one week that I was extremely busy. My team members covered some extra work so I could have a lighter load. We were very supportive of each other. To complete our case analysis, we utilized the Wall Street Journal for research, and we did a lot of research. I also on occasion used Google for information. All of this compiled our literature review. Throughout the semester, we had to present material to the class, which gave us practice speaking to an audience, and I think we could all use a little bit of that. There were also written submissions leading to our final case analysis. We wrote in MLA style, and I utilized Purdue OWL often. It was a good reminder to use your resources. Overall, this was a great learning experience. I met new people and fostered new friendships. I am proud of what Team Yellow accomplished this semester.